Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to switch TikTok accounts on CapCut. To get started, make sure you're logged into the TikTok account you want to use. Open the TikTok app and switch to that account first by going to your profile and selecting it from the account options. Once you've switched over, we're ready to move on to CapCut. Now, open the CapCut app. Once it's open, go to your profile by tapping the Me icon at the bottom of the screen. In your profile, find the Settings icon in the top right corner and give it a tap. This will open your Settings menu where you'll see an option called Manage Account. Tap that and you'll see your current linked accounts. If CapCut is still connected to your old TikTok account, go ahead and unlink it by selecting Unlink next to the account name. Once it's unlinked, you can link your new TikTok account by tapping on Link. CapCut will recognize the TikTok account you're currently logged into, so you'll just need to tap Continue to give it access to your TikTok account and complete the switch. Now CapCut is linked to your new TikTok account, and you're ready to create and share content with it. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.